Meet ClimateCare, a team of independent contractors in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning who joined forces back in the early 90s. They proved that when the experts share their knowledge and support each other, Canadian homes stay comfortable through blizzards, heat waves, and everything in between. ClimateCare grew into Canada's largest network of independent HVAC contractors, and it's 100% owned by members. So the people who do the HVAC work also own the network and help set the standards. That's cooperation in action. Picture the early 1990s. There were a bunch of small HVAC shops that served Ontarians through the harsh winters and humid summers. Although each business owner cared about their community, their small companies faced big challenges. Prices for their equipment kept climbing, the technology was updating fast, and customers needed technicians they could trust. That's when a group of small business owners came together believing that the best way to solve this problem was to cooperate. And so, in 1992, they formed ClimateCare. They wanted each shop to stay independent and local, while sharing programs they couldn't build on their own. As a member-owned cooperative, ClimateCare let the owners keep their local identity, but gain the strength of a province-wide team. In other words, each business in the cooperative got to keep their personal touch, but their business was supported by the network. What makes ClimateCare different is its structure. It isn't owned by outside investors. Instead, the small business owners come together to create a network, and they each get a vote on what benefits they want to provide to members. Then they form smaller groups called committees who deliver the benefits. And to make sure they stay organized, they also elect directors. This whole system is called democratic member control. The people who use the co-op run the co-op. Now let's talk about what the members get for being a part of the network. ClimateCare provides all of its members with benefits that they call the 4 pillars. Purchasing. Buying as a group means they get better deals on equipment that they couldn't normally get as a small business. Marketing. Sharing the same brand and messaging helps local companies look professional online and in person. Training. All the members get access to training programs, so the business owners stay sharp when it comes to things like safety and new technology. And finally, peer support. Owners call each other, they meet up, and they troubleshoot problems together. ClimateCare calls this their favorite pillar because it really makes everyone feel like they have partners. So as you can see, all their individual businesses are stronger because they team up to share 4 things that are really hard to do by yourself. As a cooperative business, ClimateCare is actually part of a bigger Canadian story. Cooperatives operate in many sectors: finance, housing, healthcare, renewable energy, and more. In Ontario, the Ontario Co-operative Association supports co-ops of all kinds to share knowledge, stay organized, and help strengthen communities. Across Ontario, the seasons can swing hard, and ClimateCare meets that challenge as a well-organized co-op. By working together, they keep families comfortable when the weather is at its toughest.